Hey guys, it's Michael here, bringing you a little update about the 135. It's been about half a week, 4 or 5 days or so since we got back from Georgia with the car. Since then I was able to clean it up, polish it, get a couple coats of wax on it. Um, so as you guys can see, the car is shined up and looking real good. But unfortunately, within this 4 or 5 day period, um, the daytime running lamps on the driver's side have went out. All the other lights work in this headlight fixture, so that leads me to believe it is probably just the bulb powering the angel eyes. So I thought this would be a great opportunity to share my first mod with you guys. This wasn't really a planned mod of mine, but since the headlights went out, I decided that I was going to upgrade the angel eyes to the Lux. I didn't ever plan for this to be my first mod, but since the one set of angel eyes did go out, I thought this would be a good opportunity to upgrade both sets of angel eyes. So I went on Amazon. Actually, same day this package arrived. I decided to go with the Lux Angel Eyes H8 180s. These are a much brighter white. I think it pairs much better with the more modern BMWs on the road right now. I'm going to be putting these in myself. I put these in on another 135i that I've had previously, which I'll talk about in another video. So let's not waste any time and let's get these installed in the car. Alright guys, we are in the engine bay. This is actually a pretty simple install. The headlight housing has a cover on the back that is held in by two metal clips. So essentially, all we do is release these metal clips. And the cover should come right out. So here's what the back of the cover looks like. Nothing too much here. As you saw there, it took a little bit more effort just to kind of massage it out. The pieces of plastic kind of catching on the other components in the engine bay. So once you're in the headlight component, you can see the LED. The bulb that's powering the angel eyes. It's going to be closest towards the engine. Okay. So once you get the bulb out, it's connected to this little gray harness. There's two gray clips on either side of the bulb that you want to release. Once you do that, the clip comes free when the bulb is out. Just something to note. So this red gasket that comes on the bulb, like this, might remain in the socket when you take out the bulb. Just be mindful that depending on what bulbs you're going to be using to replace, you're going to need this red gasket. Most times, your new set of bulbs are going to include some sort of fixture. So now we have the new Lux H8 180 bulb. It comes with a separate ballast attached as well, so you're going to have to just place that in the plastic housing. Just place that in the plastic housing when you reinstall. So first, I think it's best to connect the cable. We're going to test now to see if the new bulb works. And it does. Alright, let me show you guys what this looks like and we'll get you back set up on the engine. As you guys can see, it's much brighter. It looks great in person. The camera's picking up a little bit of a glare in the lens. It's so bright. Let me see if I can get you a better angle. As you can see. Looks great. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for putting in your replacement bulbs for your angel eyes. So I'm going to get the other side installed and then we'll come back for a couple final videos of what the car looks like. Alright guys, I just finished up getting the lights installed. As you can see, it looks pretty good. It took a little bit longer than I had planned. Getting the bulbs installed themselves isn't the challenging part. It's taking the back of the headlight cover on and off with this small of an engine bay. There's just not much room to work in there, and it took me a while to finagle that cover back in and get it all buttoned up nicely. But we made it through. It looks great. So this is going to be the first mod here. I hope you guys like the way it looks. We got a lot more coming up, so stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video.